Welcome to the world of Renegade RV, where we are proud to introduce you to your new home on the road, Verona LE 40LRB. Let's dive into the remarkable features that make Verona LE a true luxury that goes the extra mile. The aerodynamic fiberglass has transitional design from the front to rear caps. With 7 colorway paint options, you can personalize your Verona LE to match your taste and preferences. Featured here is our Wayfinder color option. The frameless dual-pane tinted windows have a tilt-opening design and screens for optimal ventilation. The exterior is further enhanced with a roof-mounted Girard Vision integrated rooftop awning with LED lights and slide toppers. The storage compartments have side-swing aluminum compartment doors with powered locks, chrome paddle latches, and a double catch. The inside of your steel storage compartments provide easy access to your belongings and are lined with carpet, providing security and durability. You'll also find your optional portable cooler on a slide tray within. The exterior entertainment center features a 43-inch 4K LED TV with a soundbar and USB charging station, allowing you to enjoy your favorite shows and movies outdoors. Stay connected with the Winegard Connect 2.0 rooftop over-the-air TV antenna with Wi-Fi and 4G capability. And never miss a moment with the Winegard InMotion satellite system or Winegard HD Traveler satellite system. Step inside the Verona LE and discover the harbor decor, with 2 additional decor options available. This unit comes with porcelain tile flooring throughout with optional heat for an added touch of luxury. It has 2 15,000 BTU low-profile roof air conditioning units with heat pumps and chill grill, as well as an AquaHot hydronic heating system ensuring optimal air and water temperature control. The living area on the Verona LE features a 50-inch 4K smart LED TV and a soundbar with Bluetooth capabilities and a wireless subwoofer. Lounge on your sofa sleeper or opt for power reclining theater seating instead. While relaxing in the bedroom, watch your favorite movie or TV show on your 32-inch LED TV. Verona LE's kitchen has a modern aesthetic charm. It comes equipped with a stainless steel 18 cubic foot French door residential refrigerator with an ice maker, and the recessed 2-burner electric induction cooktop provides a sleek cooking surface. The stainless steel convection microwave oven offers convenience for all your cooking needs. Cabinetry is made of maple hardwood with raised panel doors and features soft close glides on each drawer in the unit as well as under cabinet lighting. Additionally, you'll find solid surface countertops throughout the coach. Share meals and laughter with your loved ones at the convertible dinette booth with a solid surface top, the perfect spot for engaging in lively board games and conversation with family and friends. Add an optional cab-over bunk with a 24-inch 4K smart LED TV and power shade for additional guests that may be staying with you. Step into the Verona LE's half bath, featuring a deluxe hardwood vanity, medicine cabinet, and a linen cabinet for storage space. It sits adjacent to the optional space for a stackable washer and dryer, making laundry on the road a breeze. The Verona LE has a full-size bathroom with a fiberglass shower, adjustable shower head, glass door, and a shower skylight providing a pleasant bathing experience. The deluxe hardwood vanity, medicine cabinet, and linen cabinet offer ample space for storage. The polished solid surface countertops, sink, and deluxe bath faucet add a stylish touch. The porcelain macerator toilet is controlled with a convenient push button. Thanks to the 8-kilowatt Onan quiet diesel generator and 50-amp electrical service with Surge Guard, power is never a concern. Conveniently placed GFI receptacles within select compartments as well as USB device charging outlets in the interior ensure you have power right where you need it. Manage your RV's multiplex lighting system settings through our user-friendly Bluetooth app on your phone. Each Verona LE unit is equipped with 2 330-amp-hour AGM house batteries and can be upgraded to lithium. Additionally, you can add the optional 600-watt solar charging system. Verona LE is built on the Freightliner M2 106 chassis. It has a built-in premium Garmin dash unit with an AM/FM radio, wireless phone connection, GPS navigation, and more. It has a 20,000-pound towing capacity for all your transporting needs. Your journey is backed by our commitment to quality. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive warranty, 1-year limited unlimited miles and 3-year structural 36,000 miles coverage. You'll find attention to design and detail, premium features, abundant storage space, exceptional comfort, and heavy-duty performance with Verona LE. Embrace the freedom to explore with Renegade RV.